Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image a couple years ago. Well, I have this image and also I have this pencil drawing type image. She's from one of the best model agency in Okinawa, Southern Cross. Well, she's a nice model, beautiful. And made some kind of oil paint like image the other day, and also I made this as an interesting image, not like oil paint, like a different illustration type image. Then today I want to try to make something interesting I've never done before. Like, let's see, same thing. I'm gonna check this blend mode, change to different blend modes to look at it. Well, last time I used color burn, linear burn based for oil paint like. Then other day I used this luminosity image too, like the real interesting color we have. But today I want to try this kind of illustration, real I've never done before. This kind of color I haven't used. Well, but this is pretty interesting. Don't see much like this vivid hard mix. Well, really, yeah, vivid color. Well, let's use this vivid color, and also what else I can use? Well, let's make some, just fix the image. First group, okay, make group, duplicate this group, then flatten this image first. Okay, this is vivid light, VL. So I'm gonna change name. Yeah. Vivid light effect is this. Just like animation, I just changed the name. Vivid light effect. Now turn it off. Just now, and let's see. Let's change. Let's see. Then still interested in this luminosity effect. Yeah, I want to combine together with this vivid effect. Let's see. If I see this vivid effect over this luminosity effect image, if I change this to darken, now we see vivid effect. Then looking at underneath is some of skin tone of luminosity effect image. Now we got the new image here. Wow, this is pretty cool. Okay. Let's use this as a base image. Now I don't know. What do you think about these grains? I can smudge it out later, but now just leave it this way. Then check. Use this image as a base. I gotta make one layer. Alright, I'm gonna duplicate this group. Then turn it off, this vivid effect layer now. Then I'm gonna flatten this image. This is a luminosity image, right? Luminosity effect image. Then, okay, just turn it off to keep it this group. Then this vivid effect layer on. Okay, I'm gonna march down. Now we got this image, vivid light and luminosity effect layer, combine one image as a base image for today. Yeah, this is pretty interesting. Then I want to see if I can take these grains out. Let me see, let me test. Duplicate layer, then one at the top. Use Gaussian blur. It's not beautiful, huh? But about this 10%. That's, I guess, I don't know. Well, let's try. Or, well, 7%. Then let's see. Darken this image. Well, what do you think? Straight, dark and smudged. Well, just leave it here. We can see later. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna move these two layers. Then I'm gonna delete this. Then I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image. Change blend back normal. Now move this one, go up to top. I'm gonna move this one too. Then change these names. Okay, I changed all the names. From top, pencil drawing type image, then original, then vivid light and luminosity effect with blur, Gaussian blur, and last one is a vivid light effect and luminosity effect combined. Okay, these 4 layers. Now what am I can do? Make mask. Now invert mask. Okay, this is the base image, right? Now I want to reveal this with drawing to evolve. I'm going to add another layer here. Then add some color and I want catch light, fix something. Okay, and also I want to add some different color with this evolve. Okay, now this is catch light, some other colors. Okay, then I'm gonna add white. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Well, pretty interesting, nice illustration, I think. Let me explain. Okay, this is the base image. Now one is vivid light effect and luminosity color combined together to get this base image. Then I duplicate this image, then get blur image on to this, get this base image. Now I put original image on top, then make mask. Not much, only this much. This is from original image. Over this base image. Then I add subtle green, blue background color and catch light. Well, let me just touch up some. Well, that's about it. Yep, this is the final result. Yeah, I like this. Very nice. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea to make something creative work, and while using the blend mode to get some kind of an interesting effect, changing blend mode combined together, and using maybe a Gaussian blur or something, create something interesting, impressive image. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.